Jake's junk removal. Today is some yard excavation. We got the tractor out here. Everyone wants just all this to dirt, dug up all the dirt, and these gone, and potentially some more stuff, so I'll keep you updated. All right, we cleared all that with the excavator. Now I'm loading up stuff and fence, dirt, fence, sticker bushes, load up all in there. Jake's junk removal. We got the Kubota. We cleared all that yesterday. Placed some mulch. Looks pretty good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are taking all of this grass out today. Everything here, all of the grass will be gone. This tree I'm gonna save, but peel all the grass so I can do the foundation for the little warehouse right here. First two runs went great, as you can see. Cleared out, honestly, almost all of it. Still need to level it and make it good. But now, let's attack all these sticker bushes, get all these guys out. That'll be the next challenge.